Hi, I'm Finn and this is Finlay's Animals.
Finlay's Animals.
Today I'm going to tell you about the one and only secretary bird. The secretary bird is a bird of prey, or a raptor, and they have a hooked beak and large talons. And secretary birds have a red and orange face, a sharp beak, talons for snatching prey, and a large body with black and whitish greyish feathers. They grow over to 1 metre tall and their wingspan is 2 metres wide. And they live in South Africa and Tanzania and Kenya. They nest at the top of thorny trees and take care of 1 to 3 eggs. Sadly, they're endangered due to their habitat declining. They hunt on the ground in pairs, stomping on their prey, and their diet is insects, lizards, and even rodents, small birds, and snakes. Isn't that crazy? Thanks for joining me today. See you next time on Finlay's Animals.